got us an Echo PB 2520 on the workbench. Customer says this unit won't rev up, won't maintain, and he had a carburetor put on it last year. We're gonna look at it, and some of these you can fix by adjusting the jets, some of them you can't. Yeah, these carbs do have jets. There's several ways to take those out. I'm gonna show you where those jets are located. One of those jets is down in here. The other jet is inside of here. I have a tool here that's made for removing those caps. You can use a machine screw, I don't remember what size. In a pinch, I have heated up a small metal object and melted those caps out. So first thing we're gonna do is remove those limiter caps. Now, that hole that I showed you there, we're gonna screw that screw, if that's what you have, down into that. And pull. And that's your limiter cap. And down inside that hole, you see that flat head? We'll be using a small screwdriver to adjust that. We'll go ahead now and remove our other adjustment screw, which is located here in the top, down inside that throttle arm, right there. Same procedure. We'll just screw our machine screw that you have down in and pull, and there's our limiter. So now let's fire it up and see if we can make any difference. What you're going to do is just move very slowly those limiter screws. First we're going to try to achieve the high speed. As you can see, we're getting pretty good high speed there, so let's try the low speed next. It's going to be up here. Oftentimes that does fix the problem. Just thought I'd show you that. Then if you want to put your screws back or your limiters back, you just stick them back on. But you do know now that there is a way to adjust them, and in a lot of cases I've found it does fix the problem. Appreciate y'all joining me, and I'll see you here next time.